We will be doing simultaneous 11 or simultaneous equations for grade 11. Now you remember in grade 10, what did we have to do? We had to manipulate one to get a third equation, substitute it into my other equation to get an x value to get a y value. My rules for grade 11 does not change. So let's name these equations. We will name them number 1, and this one we will call equation 2. Which equation will be the easiest to manipulate? Number 2. So let's take y or x over, doesn't matter as long as you take one of them over. In my case, I'm going to do the type of example that we expect from you. I'm going to be taking over x. No, I'm going to be taking over y. It's the easiest. So equation 3 will be y equals to. Now if my y comes over, my positive 1 goes over, it becomes negative x minus 1. Now since we derived my third equation from my second equation, I have to substitute my third equation into my first equation, so into number 1. So this means everywhere where I see y, I substitute negative x minus 1. This means 9 equals to negative 2 x squared plus 9x minus. Now I substitute. So easiest way to substitute, open a bracket, substitute it in there. I've got negative x minus 1. From here, we have to solve for x. So my rules still stay the same. I've got 9 equals to negative 2x squared plus 9x. Negative multiplies in, it's plus x plus 1. Now in order to solve equations, I have to get everything to one side. So I will be taking everything to that side so that my exponent of 2 is positive. So I've got 2x squared. 9 plus 1 is 10. So I take that 10x over, it becomes minus 10x. The 1 goes over, it becomes negative 1. So therefore, I have 9 minus 1, which is positive 8. And this will be equals to 0. Now, my rules for factorization are what? Common factor. Can I take out a common factor? I can take out 2. So I'm left with x squared minus 5x plus 4. Then if I do my factorization, I have x minus 4, x minus 1. So therefore, x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 1. But now, since I have these answers, the easiest way is to substitute this information into equation 3. So what can I see? I'm going to have how many y answers? I've got 2x answers, so I'm going to have 2 y answers. So if I substitute this into equation 3, I will be continuing over here. Let me just do a line for us to see that we are continuing there. So we've got where x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 1. I substitute this information into equation 3. So I've got y equals to negative 4 minus 1 or y is equals to negative 1 minus 1. So y is therefore equals to negative 5 or y is equals to negative 2. If you want to get a few brownie points by the person marking your exam, we do the following. We write our answer as a coordinate. So what's my coordinate of the first one? It's where x is 4 and y is negative 5. My other coordinate is 1 and negative 2. So the rules stay the same. Application is also very much the same. I want to do another example. Okay. So let's say, let's just change the color so it's okay. So after the red part follows the next question. What if I have y minus 4x plus 14 equals to 0? And I also have on the other side y equals to x squared minus 3x minus 4. So we still have to name them equation 1 and equation 2. So we just do it in order. This one will be equation 1, this one will be equation 2. Easiest one to manipulate is equation. Which one? Easiest one to manipulate will be equation 1. So easiest one to manipulate is equation 1. Let's take the x and everything else over. So this will be equation 3, and it is y equals to 4x minus 14. Since I got it from equation 1, I have to substitute equation 3 into equation number 2. So this means everywhere where I see y, I have to substitute 4x minus 14. So therefore, 4x minus 14 equals to x squared minus 3x minus 4. In order to solve for x, I have to get everything to one side. 0 equals to x squared minus 7x plus 10. What will be my brackets? My brackets will be minus 2 minus 5. So from here, we'll be continuing up here. So from here, I can see, but x will be equals to 2 or x will be equals to 5. Knowing this information, I substitute this into equation number 3. It's my easiest one. I already have y alone. So why confuse myself if y is alone? So I have y equals to 4 times x, so it's going to be 4 times 2 minus 14, or y equals to 4 times 5 minus 14. Close bracket there. 4 times 2 is 8 minus 14 is 6. Or y equals to 4 times 5 is 20 minus 14 is 6. So once again, we want the people marking our paper to understand what's going on. So it is at 2 and negative 6, or it is at 5 and 6.